Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make a gravity sketch. So first open your sketch project. You have our cut here. So we're going to choose the event when clicked. Then I will choose to add a forever block. Let's just find the forever block. Here the forever block, add the forever block. Now let's add the if block. And now let's go to sensing, add to add touching mouse pointer, add it here. Let's get back and add the knot tool here, add knot, and then add touching mouse pointer. Choose here edge now. All you have to add is so the cat won't touch the ground unless the mouse is selected here. So let's add change by, go to motion and select change by here. Add change by and choose -3. And now if you click on the cat, drag it here, drop it unless my mouse selected the cat. Gravity will happen unless I select the mouse or my cat. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.